Hi, this is Chris from Australian Jewellery Supplies, and I'd like to talk today about rhodium plating. It's a relatively simple process, but like a lot of simple processes, it's easily stuffed up. Now, first of all, you obviously have to polish your ring to a high luster, put it through an ultrasonic so that all the compound is removed, so that it's totally clean. If your ring is not of a high luster to start with, rhodium plating will not improve this. All it will do is rhodium plating, what it really does is improve your colour, give it more of a platinum appearance. So what you have to do is you need rhodium plating solution with an anode, platinum coated anode, cleaning salts, which is very important, demineralised water, and for this demonstration, regular water for rinsing out. With your hook, you should always use brass or silver. Do not use copper. Copper can affect your rhodium plating solution. Okay, so you've cleaned it, it's all ready to go. So you put it on your brass hook. I always believe you should put it into your solution before you connect it. I've got our rectifier up around 6 volts. And there you go. Once you get this effervescent action, it's working. This is to remove all the finger marks, any grease, stuff like that. It will not really work with polishing compound. The idea is just give it a shake around for a minute. Try not to touch the anode. You won't get a zap if you do, but it's just better practice not to. So as you can see, that's working. Okay. Once again, when you're happy with the cleaning process, I always disconnect it from the hook before I take it out. Just then rinse it off in water to totally remove the cleaning salts. Usually under a tap if you have one, or you can do it this way if you don't have running water near you. And then I just get the excess off. Now at this point, it is crucial that you do not touch your article, because if you touch it, drop it, or whatever, you have to start again, because once it's been in here, you do not touch it. Alright, so we hang up there, just out the way. Disconnect. Now it's also imperative that you put your red to your anode, your black to your hook. Don't freak out if you mix them up, because what will happen is you won't get zapped, your job will create more of a black looking colour, which means it's just extra work where you have to clean it up again. So this is our rhodium plating solution with our titanium platinumized anode. So once again, just connect your red. Then you turn down to you can go between 2 and 3. 3 is fine. So now that you've done all that, you must put it into demineralized water before you put it into your solution. And this is a pre-mixed solution, so you're just ready to go as is. So dip it in, remove any of the excess. Once again, try not to touch your anode. Put it into your solution, connect it, and once again you're going to get this effervescent effect, and it's plating. I always plate for about a minute. It will be plating a lot quicker, but at least you'll get a good coverage. So once again, you just move it around so that you can see it all working. Once again, disconnect the hook. Just rinse it off a touch. Back under a tap or some water to remove it. Okay, so it's rinsed that way. Now you can touch it, dry it, drop it, but don't. Okay, so now I have one that's rhodium plated is the one that isn't, and you can see the colour difference. So that, and it, rhodium's designed to enhance the colour, and that's what it's all about, and brighten. Legor have a lot of other products in their plating range. As you can see, gold, palladium, silver, and there's a pen plating solution as well, which with the pen, you only get a little bit, but you don't need a lot. And with pen plating, when you dip it in, you don't go at it like a texture colour, you paint it on gently. And that way it gives it a nice cover and you'll get a better effect. There's also a pen painting unit that we have that covers everything with your little rectifier as well, and your little, where you can put your different solutions.